The goat is a member of the suborder Bovidae, genus Ovidae. And is an ungulate with a horned head and a beard. They are often confused with sheep and goats. In fact, in South Korea, sheep and goats were considered the same animal until 2017. The law has now been changed due to the negative effects of this practice. A goat's eyes are rectangular in shape during the day and round at night. The reason their pupils change shape during the day is to let in less light. Conversely, at night, their pupils enlarge to let in more light. Their fecundity is so great that their populations have been controlled in many parts of the world. Their ability to adapt to any mountainous environment and their voracious appetite. They are often blamed for ecological destruction. But it's worth questioning whether goats or humans are the real ecosystem destroyers. Goats have a reputation for being aggressive, and there's some truth to that. When goats fight, they often use headbutting as their main attack. The structure of the goat's skull prevents the brain from being damaged. So sheep are said to be good at it too. Goats have also been used to prevent wildfires thanks to their incredible appetite. In fact, in California, in the United States, in the mountains where trees and grasses are abundant, where there are lots of trees and grass, the goats would quickly consume the vegetation.
An orangutan, a creature very similar to humans as we know them today. Orangutans belong to the large primates of the monkey family in the animal kingdom. They are characterized by their short legs and long arms, which can reach 1.5 times the length of their body and stand between 1.2 and 1.5 meters tall. They live over a large area of the planet, mostly in large jungles. Orangutans are found primarily in tropical rainforests and are found in areas such as Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. Orangutans are found primarily in tropical rainforests and are found in areas such as Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. These areas have hot, humid climates and ecosystems that support many different types of plants and animals, and orangutans feed on a wide variety of plants. Orangutans have many human-like features. For example, their faces are very similar and their hands and feet have fingers and toes. They also have the ability to use tools and make tools in a similar way to humans. They use tools in a similar way to humans. For example, they can break a tree branch and shape it into a stick or use a stone to chip away the skin of a fruit. Their main diet consists of leaves, berries, flowers, and occasionally small animals. Orangutans are known to be social animals, meaning they live with other individuals and understand and interact with each other's feelings and intentions. They form their own hierarchy based on social status and are capable of transmitting knowledge and forming cultures between generations. However, orangutans are in danger due to human intervention. Their habitat is being lost to deforestation and large-scale logging, which is causing their numbers to continue to decline. It is vital that we do all we can to protect the habitat where orangutans can survive and create an environment where humans and orangutans can coexist. Many environmental organizations are working to create orangutan sanctuaries, but we also need to educate and raise awareness so that we can play a part in conserving our planet. Orangutans are the primates with the most similar emotions to humans. For more animal documentaries, subscribe to Alpacaworld TV.